A surgical pathology topic, mastectomy. A simple definition of mastectomy is removal of breast or removal of breast tissue. But remember, when I say mastectomy, it is not just breast tissue but overlying skin, nipple, areola is also removed. There are various types of mastectomy. For example, simple mastectomy involves removal of breast only. Extended simple mastectomy, where we go one step ahead, removal of breast plus level 1 lymph node removal. In extended, we will remove breast plus level 1 lymph node. Third type is MRM, modified radical mastectomy. Modified radical mastectomy involves removal of breast plus level 1 and 2 lymph node. So can you see there is a constant evolution. Halsted is again one step ahead, where we will remove breast, level 1, level 2, level 3 lymph node plus two important muscles of the neck, pectoralis major and pectoralis minor. We are going to excise both of them. Then fourth entity is extended radical mastectomy. In extended radical mastectomy, we are going to remove all of these plus one thoracic lymph node group, which is internal mammary lymph node. So these are 5 types of mastectomy. In the coming session, we will also see some extra, but first let's make the notes. Simple, extended, modified radical, halsted, extended radical, and now I am going to talk about some other forms, which is super radical mastectomy. You can make the complete notes till here, then we'll move ahead. So our topic was mastectomy, where we saw what is simple, what is extended simple, then modified radical mastectomy, halsted radical mastectomy, extended radical mastectomy. In simple, we remove only breast. In extended, level 1 is removed. MRM, level 1 and 2 both are removed. Halsted, level 1, 2, 3 plus 2 muscles are removed. In extended, just like halsted, plus we remove internal mammary lymph node. Now comes the sixth variety of surgery, which is super radical mastectomy. In super radical mastectomy, we are going to do more extensive surgery, but let me conclude all of the extra topics, which are one is super radical, then we have to compare it with the auchinclauss mastectomy. What is patey mastectomy, how does it differ from the other one, and then scanlos mastectomy. Super radical, auchinclauss, patey and scanlos, these are other 4 varieties of breast removal surgery. In super radical mastectomy, we have to follow the rule of extended radical, plus there are 2 other lymph node groups which will be removed. Those are mediastinal lymph node group and supraclavicular lymph node group. So extended radical plus mediastinal and supraclavicular lymph node removal is equal to super radical. What is auchinclauss mastectomy? In auchinclauss mastectomy, it is exactly like MRM, but in MRM you remove level 1 and 2. Here in auchinclauss, you remove level 1 and 3. Instead of level 1 and 2, you are going for level 1 and 3. What is patey modified radical mastectomy? Here we are going to remove breast tissue, level 1, 2, 3 lymph node, plus there is a variation. Variation is only pectoralis minor will be excised. Only pectoralis minor will be excised in patey. Remember, in the halsted you remove minor and major both. In patey only minor. And scanlos is also like patey, but here we do not excise minor, but we just divide it. Remember friends, minor cutting is required to reach the level 3 lymph node. So these are all types of mastectomy. You have to revise it and you need to know the difference between them. You can make the notes depending on the description provided.